Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Autonomy is the name of an electric vehicle subscription service created by serial entrepreneur Scott Painter, founder of TrueCar and more. And this month he announced that Autonomy is spending $1.2 billion to purchase nearly 23,000 EVs. Autonomy launched earlier this year in California, but Painter, speaking on the Smart Driving Cars podcast, said it will be rolling out across the country in partnership with AutoNation.
I've had a long history of creating brands that give people the comfort of knowing that they're going to be dealt with fairly and honestly, whether it's TrueCar or Fair.com or CarsDirect. And even though Autonomy's only been in the public domain for about 6 months, we've already got a list of customers on a wait list for cars.
A widespread issue these days at Autonomy and rivals such as FinAuto. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand, without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.